All right, boys and girls, we are going to our Super Kids Reader story. It's on page 78 and 79. It is called The Squat Shot. If you remember, we were dealing with Alec, and he was a little upset that he was so short and couldn't always reach the basket in basketball. So he's really good at soccer, but because he's a little shorter, he doesn't love playing basketball. But he's got a friend to help him. So I will read this with you one time through. On page 78, The Squat Shot. "Watch," said Fritz. He bent his knees and held the basketball between his legs. Then, swoop! He lifted himself up onto his toes and tossed the ball underhand at the basket. It went in, or in it went, sloop. Fritz grinned at Alec. "Score," he said. Remember, what kind of words are sloop and swoop? Big long word? Hard to spell, fun to say. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. They're words that sound like they're spelled or sound like they look. Alex shook his head. "I can't shoot like that," he said. "It looks weird. Don't people laugh at you?" Fritz shrugged. "If they do, they stop laughing when I sink my shot," he said. He threw the ball to Alec. "Try it." So Alec's a little nervous that people are going to make fun of him. Fritz doesn't care because Fritz makes a shot. And that's the whole point of basketball. Let's look on the next page. Alec went down into a squat, holding the ball. "I feel like a frog," he said. "Just shoot," said Fritz. Alec shot. The ball went so high that it sailed over the top of the backboard. "That's okay," said Fritz. "Don't be discouraged." "Discouraged?" said Alec. "I've never come that close to making a basket. I want to try it again." So Alec's problem before was he couldn't reach the basket. And now look where the ball goes. Way over the top. Remember that when we go to answer our question. Now go ahead back. Turn the page back on your book, or you can rewind the video and just pause it and read this one time quietly to yourself, like in your head. And one time you can whisper it to yourself. So that means 2 more times, and that'll help you answer the question. All right, good work.